Hi all, welcome to the world of GK. Today let's study some important GK questions. First question, which city is known as City of Logs? Answer, Aligarh. Aligarh is known as City of Logs. I have already uploaded a video regarding cities and nicknames. Please watch that. Second one, Kaziranga National Park is situated in which state? Answer, Assam. Kaziranga National Park is situated in Assam and it is famous for one-horned rhinoceros. Third one, round revolution is associated with dash. Answer, potato. Round revolution is associated with potato. Different revolutions also I have uploaded. You can watch that. Fourth one, who is known as Deshbandhu? Answer, C.R. Das. C.R. Das is known as Deshbandhu. And C.F. Andrews is known as Deenbandhu. Deenbandhu is C.F. Andrews and Deshbandhu is C.R. Das. Fifth one, who was the first Muslim invader in India? Answer, Muhammad bin Qasim. Muhammad bin Qasim was the first Muslim invader in India. Sixth one, how many times Muhammad bin Qasim attacked India? Answer, 1. Muhammad bin Qasim attacked India only once. And seventh question, which is the smallest bird in the world? Answer, hummingbird. Hummingbird is the smallest bird in the world and ostrich is the largest bird in the world. Eighth one, which city is known as Brass City? Answer, Moradabad. Moradabad is known as Brass City. Ninth one, Make in India project has been launched in which year? Answer, 2014. Make in India project has been launched in the year 2014. Next one, this is our 10th question. What is the ancient name of Sri Lanka? Answer, Ceylon. Ancient name of Sri Lanka is Ceylon. 11th one, Silao Kaja is famous sweet of which state? Answer, Bihar. Silao Kaja is famous sweet of Bihar. Next one, who is known as father of vitamins? Answer, Casimir Funk. Casimir Funk is known as father of vitamins. Casimir Funk is a Polish biochemist and he is the first person to formulate the concept of vitamins. 13th one, who has built Allahabad Fort? Answer, Jalaluddin Akbar. Akbar built Allahabad Fort. 14th one, largest site of Indus Valley civilization. Answer, Rakhi Garhi. Rakhi Garhi is the largest site of Indus Valley civilization. It is in Hisar district in Haryana. 15th one, what is the name of Afghanistan Parliament? Answer, Shora. Shora is the name of Afghanistan Parliament. 16th one, the state earlier known as Utkala and Kalinga. Answer, Odisha. The state earlier known as Utkala and Kalinga is Odisha. Next one, Copa America Cup is associated with which sports? Answer, football. Copa America Cup is associated with football. 4 important trophies of football are the Premiership Trophy, the Championship Trophy, FA Cup Trophy and World Cup Trophy. 18th one, which glass is used in kitchen pots? Answer, Pyrex glass. Pyrex glass is used in kitchen pots. Some other glasses are flint glass, Crookes glass, soda glass, and potash glass. Flint glass is used to make lenses and prisms. Crookes glass is used in sunglasses. And soda glass is used to make bottles, drinking glasses, and windows. Potash glass is used for making window panels. So, kitchen pots, we are using Pyrex glass. 19th one, in which state of India maximum forest is situated? Answer, Madhya Pradesh. Maximum forest is situated in Madhya Pradesh. 20th one, Wheeler Island is known as? Answer, Abdul Kalam Island. Wheeler Island is known as Abdul Kalam Island. 21st one, which country is the highest producer of gold? Answer, China. And highest producer of silver is Mexico. China is the highest producer of gold. 22nd question, who has built Peacock Throne? Answer, Shah Jahan. Shah Jahan built Peacock Throne. 23rd question, which river is known as Sorrow of Bihar? Answer, Kosi. Kosi river is known as Sorrow of Bihar. I have already uploaded a video regarding rivers and nicknames. You can watch that. 24th one, who killed General Dyer? Answer, Udham Singh. Udham Singh killed General Dyer. 25th one, when did the Muslim League demand for Pakistan? Answer, 1940. Muslim League demand for Pakistan in the year 1940. 26th one, who was the founder of Lodi dynasty? Answer, Bahlol Lodi. Bahlol Lodi was the founder of Lodi dynasty. And Lodi dynasty belongs to Delhi Sultanate. There were 5 dynasties in Delhi Sultanate. The other 4 dynasties were Slave dynasty, Khilji dynasty, Tughlaq dynasty, and Sayyid dynasty. Slave dynasty, also known as Mamluk dynasty, founded by Qutbuddin Aibak, and Khilji dynasty was founded by Jalaluddin Khilji. Tughlaq dynasty was founded by Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq, and Sayyid dynasty was founded by Kisar Khan. And 27th one, which rock edicts of Ashoka is a source of knowledge about Kalinga War? Answer, 13th. 13th rock edicts of Ashoka gives us the knowledge about Kalinga War. 28th one, this is our last question. Who was the temporary president of Constituent Assembly? Answer, Sachidanand Sinha. Sachidanand Sinha was the temporary president of Constituent Assembly. And the permanent president of Constituent Assembly was Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and visit the channel for more videos.